Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Toyota RAV4. This one's blue. Underneath the hood's a 2.5 cylinder with 203 horsepower and 184 pounds torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, 8-speed automatic transmission, sunroof. RAV4 limited all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, our different driving modes, cup holders. This RAV4 has 9,308 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota RAV4, check out feldmanimports.com.